There have been mounting concern as it relates to the health and well-being of dancehall entertainer Spice after it is now been reported that the entertainer condition has worsened within the last 24 hours. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. This is the place where you get the best in local and international entertainment and update on entertainers within the dancehall space and also in the hip hop and also R&B world. So thanks for joining us once more for the program. So dancehall recording artist Spice have been a trending name in social media since the start of this week and continues as mounting concerns spiral out of control as it relates to the health and well-being of the dancehall entertainer. Now, rumors started to circulate in this week that the dancehall entertainer was in Dominican Republic and somehow suffered a serious heart attack. However, this has been denied by her team and her booking agent have so far denied these claims. However, her absence from social media within the past few days has triggered more speculation as to what happened to Spice or whether or not she is not in good health. There have not been an official report from Spice herself or no one close in the immediate space of the dancehall entertainer. However, there have been mounting concern based on the fact that she has been absent from social media and she has not provided any update posts on her social media platforms. This started to spiral out of control after Spice reported some days ago that she'll be taking a break from social media. It started to circulate online that the dancehall entertainer suffered a very serious heart attack while she was doing a cosmetic surgery in Dominica. However, this has not yet been confirmed or denied by the dancehall entertainer. In the meantime, a number of her fans and friends, close friends as well, have been posting some messages online, which has caused her fans to draw the conclusion that something is definitely wrong with the dancehall entertainer. Now, within the last 24 hours, there have been a report published online that the dancehall entertainer condition has worsened. However, we're going to provide you with the latest we have in relation to that, and this has not been confirmed as well. So there are mounting concern in relation to the dancehall fraternity regarding the condition of dancehall international superstar Spice. There is more reports emerging out of Jamaica that the artist is actually in hospital now in the Dominican Republic in serious condition. So Spice booking agent was quoted in the print media recently, and this would have been on Thursday, as denying the social media rumors that she is in a coma or had a heart attack. However, sources close to the dancehall entertainer say that her medical condition has deteriorated significantly following a recent procedure in Dominica. Her condition reportedly worsened over the past 24 hours, sending expression of minor concern within the dancehall fraternity. Sources stated that her medical condition resulted in a very close family member being summoned to the Dominican Republic just in order to be by her side. Spice's given name is Grace Hamilton. She is known for her songs including Bubble It, So Me Like It, and monster hit Rampin' Shop, which features the incarcerated dancehall star Vybz Kartel. However, Spice's team today declined to respond to requests for a comment on the issue. So this is what is causing the whole entire situation to boil out of control on social media, based on the fact that Spice have not provided an official statement as it relates to her health, and she has been absent from the whole social media space, unlike Spice to do such a thing. As you know, Spice has always been posting on her social media, giving fans some daily update as to what her life is like and what she has been up to in her musical career. So for the past few days, Spice have been totally absent from social media, and this was what either triggered speculation that something is wrong with the dancehall entertainer, or someone might have leaked some information to the media. But all I can say, we are not confirming this information at this point in time, and we are not denying it as well, because we have not received an official report from the team of Spice, but they have been mounting concern triggering this week. So during the course of this week, a number of close associates to the dancehall entertainer Spice, including fellow co-workers and actually close friends, have been making some unusual posts on their social media platform. So this has caused the situation to spiral out of control, and many fans now are becoming worried about the safety and actually the well-being of the dancehall entertainer, based on the fact that it has been reported that she is actually in Dominica Republic and is not in good health.
It is believed that it's a heart attack, but she's stable. That's the news I got this morning, and that's a good family member, because it's obviously somebody I have many years doing, as you know, Richie, many years promoting Spice in London,
Right.
working with her. So obviously showing the concerns. I made that phone call, and that's what we heard. She's stable, but it is definitely a heart
Condition.
problem.
Oh, interesting. What can you tell us as far as you know on Grace Hamilton? Is Grace Hamilton okay in the Dominican Republic?
Well, I have spoken to a family member, as you know. Spice has spent many months, and actually went to school. She spent a small period of her life in London, UK, over in North London.
Yeah.
And I spoke to a family member, and the what we have is that she has had a heart attack. It is believed that it's a heart attack, but she's stable. That's the news I got this morning, and that's a good family member, because it's obviously somebody I have many years doing, as you know, Richie, many years promoting Spice in London,
Right.
working with her. So obviously showing the concerns. I made that phone call, and that's what we heard. She's stable, but it is definitely a heart
Condition.
problem.
Oh, interesting.
Hey everyone, I'm just here really quickly with a quick update on Spice. I promised you guys that I would keep you guys in the loop, and anytime I found anything out, I would let you guys know. I wasn't getting much updates, but I got one today, and I have great news. I heard that allegedly she's doing a lot better and she's improving. So she's not quite out the woods yet, but she is improving, and that's what we hope for, right? When someone's having complications and they're going through issues medically, improvements are always a good thing. I'm so happy that she is more stable now, and when I continue to get updates, I will continue to let you guys know. Let's continue to send Spice and her family and friends a lot of light and a lot of prayer, because it's working and our girl is improving.
So Spice One's music partner and friend The Angel made a post on her social media platform and sent Spice her love. So The Angel Music wrote, "Where do I start?" with a crying emoji. A lot has been circulated in the media, but I'm here to say that the devil is a liar. So whatever you're going through, just know that God is in control and you will pull through, Gracie, with an emoji. Let's all stop what we're doing right now and pray for Gracie's speedy recovery back to normality. Lord, remember her kids depend on her. I can't imagine what they would do without her. No one should be judging or condemning at this time, because we are all human and anything can happen to anyone. Let's just all use kind words and continue to pray for Grace Hamilton, aka Spice. Hashtag no worries, hashtag gotta deal with everything. So that was an official post from dancehall entertainer, one's friend and also co-worker within the music space, dancehall recording artist The Angel, sending Spice her love. A number of close friends to the dancehall entertainer and also fellow co-workers within the music space have made similar posts on their social media platform, and this has caused so many fans to become more and more worried about Spice's health at this point in time. All I can say that whatever has happened to Spice, if something have happened, I just want to wish her a speedy recovery and all the best. And we at Links 007 TV will continue just to provide you with the latest update that we have to bring to you. But Spice, we wish you a speedy recovery, and Spice have everyone prayers right now as we try to get to the bottom of what is really going on and wait from an official report as to what happened to Spice or whether her health has actually deteriorated within the past 24 hours has been reported on a number of social media sites right now, and this has not yet been confirmed by her team as Spice has remained silent on the matter, and we have not received any official report of Spice being in the hospital or whether or not she's actually been in a coma or whether or not she had a heart attack. So these are some of the things that has been circulating online. We just want to wish you all the best, Spice, and hope for a speedy recovery. This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Peace out, and if it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.